How to post quietly on Instagram profile. Here's a simple way to do it. Open your Instagram app and click your profile. Click the plus symbol on top right corner and click the more you prefer. In my case, I want to choose the post. Choose the picture that you wanted to quiet post. After you choose your picture, click Next on the top right corner. If you wanted to, you can actually add some music or text for your picture before quiet posting. If you're done, once again click the Next on bottom right corner and wait just a little bit. After that, it will take you to this page where you can add some caption and more. But to do the quiet post, scroll down a little and check if you see the audience button. If you see it, click it to change your audience. And change it to close friends, because as of right now, that is the only way that we can actually quiet post on Instagram, just so you know. If you see a selected people, you may actually click Clear All to remove them. But also if you wanted to, you may choose people that you don't mind seeing your post. But if you remove them, you're the only who will be able to see your post. But if you're done, click the share on bottom right corner to do the quiet post. And basically that's it. Hope you learned something on how to post quietly on Instagram profile.